Welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you today? Well, it's a quick hack on how to create instant depth in your paintings and drawings using contrast. What do I mean by that? Well, have you ever had a drawing and it just looks a bit, well, flat, really? Let's have a little look on what we can do to resolve that. Follow me. So when we have a drawing where we've got a similar tonal value throughout the entire drawing, our eye doesn't know where to go. It sees everything as the same, and that is what makes our drawings look flat. So if we lighten that background, so I've lightened those mountains in the background and the sky, and instantly we've got a bit more depth. Add some contrast in the foreground with some darker elements, and that helps create that three-dimensional realistic feeling with that extra contrast. This works really well with still life, portraits, landscapes, all the things really. Just bear in mind things further away are usually lighter, softer, out of focus, and then bring that contrast in to the foreground. So if you really enjoyed this hack, let me know. I love to see what you've done. Follow me, subscribe to the channel, and if you would like me to join me on one of my workshops, I do 1-hour workshops online and I do in-person workshops too, as well as the Smart Art Academy. The links are in the comments. Like, subscribe, you know what to do. See you next week on the next week's 2-minute art hack. Bye.